Inspiring quote of the day. If the gut is the second brain, then whatever we digest plays a major role in mental health. The Electric Leaf. Salutations, family. Welcome back to The Electric Leaf, where it is my goal to assist you in nourishing your mind, your body, and your chakras. I have lots of videos right here on YouTube to assist those on a spiritual journey. Everything from sharing meal ideas to mental health hacks. I also share spiritual downloads and channeled messages here, so if you feel this channel will support you on your spiritual journey, be sure to subscribe. Now let's get into this food. I'm starting this chakra balance salad, okay? Eating for our mental health. Remember, I'm starting this off with some romaine lettuce. I like to buy the romaine in the packs like this instead of pre-cut because you get more bang for your money, okay? So once I've got the romaine all chopped and washed, I'm adding in some spinach. I usually like to use at least 2 types of lettuce on my salads. And then I'm just topping the salad with whatever I have in the fridge at this time. And that's what I'm going to suggest for you all to do. Don't try to make the salad exactly how I'm making it here. Just use what you have. Use what you have. Don't go to the grocery store. You see, the mushrooms was hanging on by a thread. They was hanging on, okay? I eat this way frequently. It's important for us to eat fresh, whole food, plant-based, green, raw, as frequently as we possibly can. That is the way that we're going to end up adding in whatever it is that our bodies need to build with and to heal with. Also there, for those of you that aren't familiar with olives, I use Kalamata olives that were already pitted. I'm adding in this avocado. Sometimes when I watch these videos and I'm watching how I get the avocado out, it is a little bit reckless. Considering how common it is to get an avocado cut, I didn't know. So be careful if you're not used to working with avocado. Now on to the avocado dressing, which is very simple. You'll be able to look down in the description to find the exact measurements. These onions I used from another recipe, but they were baked onions, and all I did was just bake them in the oven with a little bit of olive oil and sea salt, or pink salt rather, until they were transparent. This dressing was really mild, not super over the top with flavor, just a really good go-to dressing. So it's really good, especially if you have an avocado that is turning or it's not as pretty anymore. You can use that avocado in this dressing. And then, so just top your salad with whatever veggies you have available in your fridge right now. Whatever you would like to try on the salad, just try that. Even if it's blueberries, that's one of my favorite things to put on a salad, and it will go with this dressing. So if you try it out, let me know. Until next time, family, continue to vibrate love and vibrate well.